Hey there, Team Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. We got another beautiful Copperhead 52 rolling out shop. This one's going to my guys over the Fire BBQ down in Arizona. They usually always have at least one TMG pit in stock. They are a dealer for us. So if you need something quick, look up over the Fire BBQ, give them a call, see if they can hook you up. They custom ordered up this Copperhead 52. They got it set up just right, so let's check it out. As you can see, it is on our off-road package. Got the upgraded wheels and tires for guys mods down in Texas. They threw on the stainless steel front shelf, a great option there. Looks good, easy to clean up, won't rust up on you. We'll open up the smoke chamber here. Oh, they got a couple goodies in here too. We got one of our new griddle tops we've been making. Got these in multiple different sizes available on the website, 3/16 plate steel. You got your bottom and top sliding tray, fire poker, of course. Removable reverse flow plates. This is a reverse flow smoker. That means smoke comes all the way across the bottom, enters the smoke chamber right here, back out of the stack. Makes for really even cooking temperatures in here. Speaking of stack, they did get the fold down stack. That makes it easy to get it in and out of your garage. If you want to move it in an enclosed trailer, you're going to want to add that fold down stack. Come around to the hot box here, our 30-inch hot box. Hey, y'all know the deal. 5 sliding trays in here, 1,776 square inch cook space. Guys, that's just because we love America. All right, we do have our removable plate in there with daisy wheels, so you can pull the whole plate out and get direct fire in here. Great for wood fire, peaches, grilling in there. Throw that plate back in, crack open the daisy wheels, use it as a smoker, close it all off, use it as a warmer. So very versatile option there. Come around the firebox. This is our insulated firebox. Got your fire management cradle. It looks like they got a TMG torch, charcoal chimney as well. You can get those on the website. We'll ship it right to you. That is a lifetime warranty on that unit. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. Say, y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.